Time to rob this house. Why is the door locked? Time to rob this house. Oh, what a good piece of history. I should take it. Bye-bye house.
Where did my TV go? Damn it, I hate those robbers.
Are you tired of robbers robbing your stuff? Well, have you tried going to the gun shop?
May I get a gun, please?
I have one for you. Your gun is... death.
I hate it.
Well, no worries. I've got something. Introducing them. The 8A. AOD-1. How the f do you pronounce this? This thing is based on the CI. Why the f do I care? The Cram or Phalanx CIWS. This anti-everything cannon shoots for 1,000 human, right? Let's try it on the robber, shall we?
I wanna steal again, haha.
As you can see, the cannon is ready.
What the heck is this abomination of a machine? Oh no. I'm dead.
I'm pretty sure he's dead now. I really recommend you to get one. Bye.
Do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky.